Hey folks, welcome to the personal tour for Whitemyre House, St Andrews Road in Largoward. There's an amazing 4-bedroom, 2 reception, 3 bathroom, 2 of them en suite, detached bungalow on a substantial plot. It's beautiful inside, you have to see it. And it's absolutely gorgeous countryside views to the front and the side and the rear and wherever it is, actually all over the place. It sits in the sun all day long. So what more could you ask for? Welcome to God's country, eh? Flip the camera around and show you this. So as we come in off the main road here, the great thing is this property is actually set back from the main road itself. So you've got easy access to the front here. You've got great amount of off-street parking. You can see the size of my car when you think about it, and you can think about the depth of there and how it is. Now that's a double garage. It looks single because it's far away from here. But you go right along and then there's a garden to the side there we're going to end up in, and you're going to see that as well all the way along. Now, the one thing I see to the side, so this technically is the side, that's the front, that's the other side, that's the rear, and the way it stands out. You can see as we get closer, the garage actually comes to a double garage. So it's a big double garage there to the side. The main entrance is into there as well. We have what is the garden to the side or the rear, whatever it is. We're also going to go out this door to the side over here when we come out from the property once we've taken you on the tour. But it's a big plot this is on, and you'll see that actually on one of the photographs which shows the size of the plot. But look at the size of my car now. It's tiny. This is huge in terms of the depth and perspective of the house and the plot it's on. So let us go in the front door and I'll take you on the tour around the property itself, and I'll see you inside. Okay, so here we are inside, cloaks to the front and the vestibule itself, and boots and shoes and that. As we go in the main door, we'll go off to our right hand side just now. It's a big reception hall in here, but we're going to go off to the right hand side. We're going to see the 2 bedrooms and main bathroom in here. So off to the first bedroom to the side, there's one thing this house has got, it's got loads of storage. So you've got double wardrobes built into here, then it opens up into the main bedroom in here. So you can see you can get that double easily here. Now off to my right hand side again, we've got this family bathroom. That's beautiful, isn't it? You could just take a wee snapshot of that and put it on Instagram. It's lovely. So I love this tile into the walls, and also the wet floor. The wet floor it's in here as well. Ideal for cuts and splashes and that. The great thing about it is it's got an electric shower over the bath. And the rest of the 2 of them are actually thermostatic showers. Works off the mains. So you've got that electric shower if you need it. Into the first of the double bedrooms with an ensuite shower room on top. Again, you've got these wardrobes for storage. Double windows to the side and into your shower room. Similar feature, real high quality finish in here. And you've got thermostatic shower as well. Nice big shower enclosure, corner shower enclosure there. And the overall size of the bedroom. Okay, large walk-in cupboard to here, and I mean large. It's a big cupboard in there. Storage cupboard over there, and then in off to my right hand side we have the main living room, sitting room area. See, it's beautiful, isn't it? And then you've got these patio doors out to your garden. Now the huge bonus you have here is a wee handy bit round here, which is a home office. Ideal. So it keeps it away, really, from your main day-to-day life. And you can just pop in there when you need to do a bit of work. And then back into the sitting room. Now if I go to the front here in the sitting room, you can start to see some of these amazing views. Now over, if I can just zoom and see if we can see that a wee bit clearer. There's the hills over at Leith in Edinburgh, over there. And sometimes you can just see a wee lip of the Firth of Forth just in there in the shadows. On a clearer day you'll see right over there, I could see some of the actual wind turbines on the hills. But beautiful countryside views to the front here as we go over. And then the great thing is a lot of natural light coming in from that main patio door and the windows to the side there. Gorgeous. Now, bonus, dining room right to the side. Again, plenty of natural light coming in through the windows, but you can see that's a big long table. You could probably get about 10 or 12 people across there quite comfortably. So entertaining, Christmas times, family get-togethers, ideal place for it. The great thing as well is you've got the kitchen right off of there. So beautiful white gloss kitchen, fitted, trespass style worktops, which is brilliant for spillage and chemicals and that, and it resists all that. Now to the rear there, you've got a 5-ring hob and your extractor above. Now behind this door, you've got the double oven. So there's a nice double oven. And then coming round, we have integrated dishwasher. And then space for a freestanding fridge freezer. Love these tiles. Beautiful. Okay, so here we are into the hall. Now, storage again in the cupboard. There's just, see that access hatch, just I'll zoom in right there, access hatch into the attic there, again floored and storage in there. So there's plenty of storage all the way throughout. And then off into the rear here, we've got the double bedroom again. You've got these double wardrobes. And into your shower room. So good sized shower room, again finished to a high standard. You have thermostatic shower. Again, these double wardrobes for cloaks, hanging storage overall. And then to the final double bedroom. So fold down sofa bed actually. Space for freestanding wardrobe there. Got the double windows that come in, so plenty of room in here as well. Another double bedroom. And then off into your laundry. So good sized laundry. You can see plenty of work surface and storage cupboards as well. Space for your washing machine and your tumble dryer. And then your cupboard there for storage. And then you've got your doorway leading to the rear or the side garden, depending on how you look at it. Again, you've got these beautiful countryside views over there, even from up here. So this is the place where I pointed round the corner, where we first came in the back of the garage there. As we look round, there it's there, so you can get access into there. And then you've got these countryside views over here. Now and again, you get to see a lot of wildlife, deers and all that out there as well. And imagine. And then to the prime position to sit in the sun. I mean, the sun is just disappearing behind the clouds over there and going down due to the time of year. It's round about 3 o'clock, so south is just over there. So the sun is going to come up here, it's going to go all the way around, and it's going to stay on here all the time, and it's going down over there. So it's going to be on this front all the time. Hence the reason why you see some of the bloomage on some of the flowers is still here, just as it's coming off at autumn. You can see the apples over there, the apple trees to the front. Perfectly positioned bench, ideal and opportunistic with the sun. As I said before, this goes way back, this garden, to the main road up there. And then there's the property itself. Okay, let's talk about side garden as well. Now there's the front drive where we came in. Used to have hens in here. As it goes all the way back, as we can see, to the polytunnels, and then, as I said, there's the drive over to the front there where we came in. So a huge amount of space in here. Potential to develop upstairs, possibly, yep. In here itself, So let's talk about the area. So for anybody that doesn't know Largoward, just about 6 miles outside St Andrews. St Andrews, easy access into there. You've got the West Sands, you've got the East Sands, you've got the swimming pool, you've got all the amenities in there as well. You've got the hospital, St Andrews Hospital's there as well. Morrison's just on the outskirts as you're going in on this road, on the St Andrews Road itself. You've got access to Madras, which is the high school there. You've got the University of St Andrews. You've also got private education through St Leonard's, the home of golf. What more could you ask for? St Andrews, renowned for the home of golf. Probably the top university in the UK as well, obviously. But the home of golf, plenty of golf courses. Golf's your thing. Definitely close proximity to that. But the great thing is you're in the countryside here as well. If you like peace and quiet, then this is probably the place for you. Brilliant countryside views. Sits in the sun all day long. Fantastic walks, great cycle routes because I've cycled them on my bike, mountain biking as well, possibly out here as well, and great walking routes as well. Primary school in Largoward, so you've got primary school in Largoward as well. You've got an active village hall. You've got easy access, as I said, back over to the shore to the East Nuke. So best of everything and best of everything right here. As I said before, welcome to God's country. If you're living in the city right now, why are you there if you could be here? You could have it all. Right now, you could have it all. All you need to do is contact us direct. You can message us direct on this post, or you can contact us on 01334 65 42 21. And until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.